In today's video, I'll show you how to fade out audio using Descript to create smooth and professional endings for your audio or video clips. Start by opening your project in Descript and make sure the timeline is visible. This is where all your audio and video clips are displayed and where you'll apply the fade effect. Next, click on the audio clip you want to fade out. Make sure the correct clip or audio layer is selected, especially if your project has multiple tracks. Now, move your cursor to the right edge of the selected clip. When you hover near the end, you'll see a small fade handle appear. This handle controls how the audio fades out. Click and drag the fade handle toward the left. As you drag, the audio will gradually decrease in volume. The farther you drag, the longer and smoother the fade out will be. Play the clip to preview the result and adjust the fade length until it sounds natural and fits the tone of your project. That's it. You've successfully added a fade out to your audio in Descript, giving your project a clean and polished finish. Thanks for watching and happy editing.